Hello YouTube. Today, just want to say that during 2011, I'm going to get an Easy capture card. It most people might think it's not cool, but the Easy Cap it most likely does have the same camera quality as Dazzle. I'm just getting an Easy Cap off Amazon. You can get it for $8. You can even get it off eBay for like $7. I'm not gonna go to eBay because these little AV cords right here, if they're white on the top of them, that means they're the knockoff. If they're like a yellow, mustardy, golden color, they're not a knockoff. But if you go to Amazon, they're normally not gonna be a knockoff because I don't think they can even have knockoffs on Amazon. But it's called the Easy Cap. Very easy. You plug it into your PlayStation. You have the software that comes with it, and this is a good D60. Most people say it has the best camera quality, so that's what I'm gonna get at the D60, and that's what I'm gonna get. Bye guys.